morning, Trailblazers, and welcome to Wolf TV.
I'm Grace.
And I'm Abraham.
And here are today's announcements.
Attention all runners. Our Runners Club will meet at 7:30 a.m. on Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Runners should meet at the track ready to run. Bring your school clothes to change into after practice. Everyone is welcome. Any questions, please contact Coach Rigamar.
Mega Blast Fundraiser Kickoff will be held on August 18, 2022.
Grade level PBIS and discipline assemblies will be held on August 19, 2022.
Fall Pictures through Social Studies classes will be held on September 16, 2022.
Open house will be in person on September 15, 2022 at 6 p.m.
Come join ITMS Broadway Blazers after school theater. This year's production will be with The Wizard of Oz. We will have rehearsals on Tuesday and Thursdays after school starting September 20th. Registration forms, schedule, and information are available at the front office.
Lunch lines 5 and 6 are the main meal. Today's meal is spaghetti, meat sauce, or marinara, broccoli, and garlic breadstick.
Lunch lines 1 and 2 both have pizza and chicken sandwiches every day. Line up to either line.
Remember to buy everything that you want in one trip through the line.
This Friday, August 19th, is our annual Tailgate Day at Winter Springs High. Tickets for the game are $7. You can buy them through the GoFundMe Festival. Will begin at 5:30 p.m. Be there with optional purchases from food trucks. The game starts at 7 p.m. The Bears will be playing against Pine Ridge. Let's support our local high school of a night of fun.
Thanks for watching.
Be kind to one another and have a good day.
And as always, let's go Trailblazers.